What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a sticker properly on your car. I know a lot of people struggle with it, so this is a how-to for dummies 101. So first I'm going to grab some, I just have some alcohol. I'm going to clean off the windshield, make sure it's all clean. Make sure it's really clean, not dusty. And then we're going to find the center point. How I like to do it is I like to tape it just a little bit off the center. So do it to the left side. I'm just gonna eyeball it for this video. Down here so it doesn't move. Put another one here. All right. So make sure that it is centered. Sure, let's say it is for experimental purposes. Now I'm going to peel off half of it. You want to make sure the sticker stays on this clear portion. So I'm going to peel it, see how it's coming with the clear portion. Gotta peel it. And I'm gonna rip the backing off halfway. Doing it this way just makes sure that the sticker is straight, because sometimes during install it will go crooked. So now I'm gonna lift it up. I have a squeegee here. I'm gonna slowly lay it down like this. Just slice the decal. Make sure it's all down. Squeeze it out nicely. We'll come around to the other side. Now I can peel the tape. The other half, and now I can peel this portion. Make sure you do it slowly, because sometimes stickers will have these little small parts and you don't want to rip it. And again, same thing, just slice it. Make sure you get all the air out. You can also use a credit card or anything flat that's solid. All the bubbles out. Now I'm going to grab the transfer tape, slowly peel it. Make sure as I'm peeling, I'm pushing down. There you have it. How to install a sticker. You go, dummies.